We have an update now on that high school special ed teacher who slapped students and still kept his job.
A key witness has now contacted police after seeing our I-Team investigation into the case.
And Dan Noyes is back now with the latest for us.
Well, Larry and Carolyn, police told me that the Santa Rosa School District refused to cooperate, refused to turn over the name of an adult staff member who saw this teacher striking students. Now there is movement in the case.
He called it a powwow.
16-year-old Michael Delgado told me several times last semester, special ed teacher Willie Swindle called him into the hallway and smacked both his ears at the same time, what some high school students call the thunderclap.
Then they made a ringing sound.
Oh, your ears made a ringing sound. I bet that hurt, huh?
Yeah. I thought I was going to lose my hearing.
At his parents' urging, the school district investigated. They did not confirm Swindle hit Michael with a thunderclap, but did find on at least 2 occasions he struck another student that way, and that Swindle slapped Michael in the face other times and flicked, pinched, and pulled his ears. Michael's mother confronted the teacher when he stopped by the family's house unannounced.
I said, "So why are you hitting my kid?" And he's just like, trying to deny it, and said, "Well, Michael plays the victim." And I said, "He is the victim. You're smacking my kid."
The family says that you struck Michael?
Yeah.
Is that true?
No, that was unfounded. They did an investigation.
It was unfounded?
Yeah.
Even after I showed him the district's findings, Swindle denied hitting any students. It especially upset the Delgados when I found out the district refused to give police the name of a key witness, an adult staff member who worked in Swindle's class last semester. Police told me they asked for the name again and again.
The school conducted a personnel investigation, and they will not provide that information to us.
The police tell me that you didn't provide this information to them. Why not?
I don't know what the police told you, Dan,
well,
to be quite honest.
It's going to be on TV. I'll show you on TV. I'm happy to tell you right now what they said.
We have fulfilled our disclosure requirements.
Right after that first report aired, the key witness sent me an email. He doesn't want to be identified. He works for another school now. He's angry about the district refusing to cooperate, so he has contacted police himself.
In the email to me, he identified himself as an aide in Willie Swindle's class. We all saw Mr. Swindle hitting his students. I believe there were about 8 or 9 reports made last year from substitute teachers, teachers' aides, and one-on-one aides. I think the school wants to avoid negative press because they asked another special ed teacher to take a leave of absence last year for similar behavior.
It's very important to protect the most vulnerable citizens in this country.
The Delgados have found a lawyer who has experience suing the same school district.
I've had a case where the mouth of a Tourette syndrome young boy was taped. Another case where a scissor was held up to the throat of an immigrant child who wasn't speaking English.
At this district?
At this district. So this is not the first time. This is the third time. This is the strikeout.
I reached out to every member of the Santa Rosa City Schools Board of Education, and the president was the only one who responded. Larry Hanel refused to be interviewed, but emailed to say the district takes such complaints seriously. The district undertook 2 investigations of the allegations, and actions were taken. Since this is a personnel matter, the district cannot comment on the specifics of those actions. It is apparent that the parent in this matter is not satisfied, and thus the superintendent will be reaching out to the parent.
And that teacher is still at the same school. Now, Hanel didn't answer how a teacher can slap at least 2 students in the head and keep his job. Of course, we rarely settle for a written statement from a public official on an important issue like this. So I'll be there at the school board meeting tomorrow to press for answers, and I'll report back to you. There, Carol?
Yeah, we look forward to that report.
I really want to see what people have to say.
Exactly. We got to find out.